This is how to program your ProTec model. First you click on Model and then come down here to where it shows EV07WN. Click on that, click Open Port, come down here to Read, click there, and then it'll open up as follows. You can ignore all these things here. We first go to programming a number. Let's say we want to program a mobile number first, and we'll make that the number. Second one, because we're in Perth, we're going to do a landline, so there's 08 area code, 678, and then let's say we want 000. 000 we can program like there, and then the time zone, we're 8 hours Greenwich Mean Time in Perth, so we do that. Let's suppose this is for my mother. I would type in something like that, and that way when Mum has the device, presses the button, the first words I'm going to see on the text is "It's Mum." Here in Perth, the longitude and latitude is 31, and it doesn't matter too much what we put after 31, and 115. Doesn't have to be exact, but that's close enough. So we'll then switch AGPS on. So assisted GPS helps GPS find the location a bit quicker. This is all we need for this column right here. Ignore all the rest of these things unless you want to program up to 5 contacts. Now this function control, this is new. We won't worry about the specialized features for now. Power saving, that helps the standby time. Don't put it on deep sleep. That turns off both the GPS and the cell signal. It takes longer to make the call if you have to wake it up if the device is lying, for example, on a bedside table. So power saving leaves the cell signal on all the time. You have plenty of charge for more than a day, and if you charge it up every day, that should be fine. Fall alert. If people want to have a automatic fall detection, you would tick that one. Now there's 9 different sensitivity settings. 5 is in the middle. I would suggest leaving it on 5 to start with. If we want a more sensitive setting, we're going to make that 1. That's the most sensitive. The least sensitive is 9. So for now we'll put it on 5 and ignore pin lock. Now SMS alarm means that when either a fall is detected or if the SOS is pressed, it's going to send a text to these, well actually in this case because there's only one mobile, it would send a text only to emergency contact number 1. If we untick that, then it's only going to call these people because call only is ticked. If we go in reverse, then obviously it's only going to send a text and not call. But the default is that it both texts and calls. That's good to leave it on. However, in the case of a fall alert, it only texts. If we want them to get a call, then we tick that one. So actually the SMS and outgoing is only for the SOS button. If we want a call as well as a text with fall alert, then we need to text fall calling. Leave these on ticked on beep here. The incoming call, this is for whitelisting. Right now anyone can call the device, that's the default. If the emergency contacts won't want only them to be able to call the device, we would untick that, which means that anyone besides these 3 numbers that call the device wouldn't be able to get through. So let's have it where anyone can call it, and once we've made the settings the way we want, we click Save, write successfully, we click there, and we're done. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, give us a call.